We have the following objectives for today's lesson. Define sample space, events, and cardinality. Illustrates events and union and intersection of events. Now let's start. Let us try to recall our lesson on sets and try to name and define the following symbols. The first symbol is union. The second one is intersection. The third one represents empty or null set. And of course, the last one is a Venn diagram. The following symbols will help you understand our topic. In an experiment of throwing a six-sided die, we have the set of all possible outcomes. So this set of all possible outcomes is called sample space. And sample space is denoted by capital S. So if we are going to identify the sample space in this experiment, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how many elements are there in set S? Very good. We have 6. 6 elements, in which this one is called the cardinality of a set. In the same experiment of throwing a six-sided die, let us try to illustrate the following events using a Venn diagram. Event A be the event that the number is even. Event B be the event that the number is multiple of 3. C be the event that the number is multiple of 5. Now, using the Venn diagram, A has the following list of elements, 2, 4, 6, while B has 3, 6. Set C has 5 as an element. And of course, 1 will not be included in any of the following events. So we have to place 1 outside the circles. The elements of the 3 events, including the elements outside the event, is called a universal set. A universal set is denoted by capital U. It is a set consisting or containing of elements in the totality of all sets under consideration. Now, using the Venn diagram, let us try to answer the following questions. What are the elements that are not in event A? Very good. So we have 1, 3, 5. So we denote that as A prime. A prime is read as A complement. Next question. What is the common element of events A and B? That's right. We have 6 as the common element. And that one is denoted as A intersection B. What are the elements that are found in event A or event B or both A and B? That's correct. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is denoted as A union B. What is the common element of events A and C? Very good. They don't have any common element. And that one is denoted as A intersection C, which is a null set. Let us deal with example number 1. There are 10 chips numbered from 1 to 10 in a bag. A chip is drawn at random from the bag. Let A be the event that the number is multiple of 3. B be the event that the number is a prime number. Let us find the following. For letter A, we have A intersection B. For letter B, we have A union B. Letter C, we have A complement. Letter D, we have B complement. And letter E, we have A complement intersection with B complement. Now let's have the solution. But first, let us identify the elements of event A. We have 3, 6, 9. While the elements of event B, we have 2, 3, 5, 7. So for letter A, we are looking for the common element of A and B. So we have 3 as the common element. For letter B, we are asked to find the A union B. So we have 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9. For letter C, we are asked to find A complement. So we need to look for the elements that are not in A. So therefore, we have 2, 3, 5, 7. For letter D, we have B complement. We have to look for the elements that are not found in event B. So we have 3, 6, 9. And finally, for letter E, we are asked to find A complement intersection with B complement. Since we've done the A complement and B complement already, we just need to look what is common between A complement and B complement. And that is 3. Let us try to deal with our second example. Given set Q is equal to the set of X such that X is an even number where X is less than 15 and P equals to the set of X such that X is a multiple of 5 that is less than 20. Let us find the following. Q intersection T, Q union with T, Q complement intersection with T. So for the solution, let us try to identify the elements of Q. These are even numbers less than 15. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And for set T, we have multiples of 5 less than 20. We have 5, 10, 15. So for the first problem, we have Q intersection with T. So we need to find what is common between Q and T. So we have 10. For letter B, we need to find Q union with T. So we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. And we have Q complement. We need to identify elements that are not found in Q. So we have 5, 15. And for Q complement intersection with T, we need to find what is common between Q complement and T. So we need to find what is common between this. So we have 5, 15. For example, number 3, let us refer to this Venn diagram. So if the cardinality of A union B is equal to 25, and the cardinality of A intersection with B is equal to 7, and the cardinality of event B is equal to 10. Find the value of X and Y. So this is our event A, and this is our event B. So for us to be able to find the value, let us first deal with the value of Y. So for the solution, we will be using the idea that the cardinality of event B is equal to 10. So the total cardinality of this is 10. Since we know that the cardinality of B can be obtained by adding 7 plus Y and then substituting the value of the cardinality of B, which is 10, then we have 10 equals 7 plus Y. Now solving for Y, transferring 7 to the left side of the equation, we have 10 minus 7 equals Y. That's why the value of Y is equal to 3. Now that we know that the value of Y is equal to 3, Then we can solve for the value of x. So we will be using the idea that the cardinality of A union with B can be obtained by adding x plus 7 plus y. So the A union with B can be obtained by adding x plus 7 plus y. Now, we have to substitute the value or the cardinality of A union with B, which is 25. So we have this one. 25 equals x plus 7 plus y. But we already solved for the value of y, which is 3. Substituting the value of 3 into y, there we have 25 equals x plus 7 plus 3. Now simplifying, 7 plus 3, here we have 25 equals x plus 10. Now we are ready to solve for the value of x. Transferring the value of 10 to the left side of the equation, we have 25 minus 10 equals x. Now simplifying, 25 minus 10, so the value of x is equal to 15. Try doing this on your own. Until our next session, thank you and enjoy learning.